Hello everyone and namaste to all dear learners. This is Dr. Kahale from Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon is come up with the very interesting topic under the Moodle as a learning management system, that is addition of resources like file, page and URL. So you should have to add that file, page and URL into the Moodle Genomio course, which was already created by you under the Moodle Genomio site. Now let us see the learning objective. So after watching this video, you will be able to create a file as a course resource. You will be able to create page into Genomio Moodle course. You will be able to create URL to provide web link resource. Now let us see the different steps to add file, page and URL. So first step that you already created, that is creation of Genomio Moodle site. After enter into that site, there is a option like site home under the dashboard. So click on to the site home and enter into the whatever the available courses or you have added courses. Then click on to that course. Under that course, there will be the different unit you have already added into that. So after in the left corner of that different unit, there is a one button of action menu. So click on to that action menu. After clicking on to that, you will have to see one another option, that is turn editing on. So click onto that turn editing on. After clicking onto that turn editing on, you will have to see the add on resources button on a different units which you have already added into the course. Then click on to the add on resource. You will see that there will be the opening of one window. You should have to select file, page and URL, whatever you want it to be, and then click on add button. So select and add is the last steps for adding the file, page and URL into the Genomio Moodle course. Now let us see the window, one kind of prototypes. When you enter into that of the Moodle Genomio site, you can see such kind of window. Then after selecting file, page and URL, you should have to click on add button. After clicking on to the add button, there is another window open, and here you have to fill up the name of file, page and URL, your description, upload the file over here, and after uploading, there is some of the option enlisted over here. You have to modulate that option as per your requirement, and ultimately finally click on to the save and return to the course. Then see, here we have to see the what is the use of add-on file resource. So these are the three major uses of the file resources: to share a presentation given in the class, to include mini website as a course resource, to provide draft file of certain software. Now second, we have to see the utility of page resource. So the page module enables the teachers to create web page resource. A page can display text, images, sounds, video, web links and embedded code such as Google Map. And third is to present the terms and condition of the course or summary of the course syllabus. Under that, the very important thing is that the page module enables a teachers to create a web page resource. One of the very important keynote under that is, if there is a large content, it is recommended that a book is used rather than a page. Now next, see the utility of URL resource. So in the utility of URL resource, this is required for the providing of web link to the student. From web link of any website, any YouTube video, any of the channels which is the availability of the study material related to your subject. So you should have to provide that web link through that URL resource into that Moodle Genomio platform, which is freely available online, and this URL resource is very much important for passing the information from online into to the students. Now the reflection spot. How to add file, page and URL into a Genomio Moodle course. Take a pause. Create your answer. After creating your answer, now let us play the practical orientation, that how to add the page, file and URL. See, here you can see my dashboard. Under that there is a site home option. Click on to the site home. After clicking on to the site home, you can see this is the available courses. Click on to the available courses. Under that available courses, you can see over here there is a different added unit, so which was already added. Then in the left corner there is a action menu button. Click on to the action menu. See, there is a turn editing on. So click on to the turn editing on option. After turn editing on option, you can see that add on activity or resources in each of the units which you were already added. Then click on to the any of the added unit. So first of all, we will going to create a page. So click on to that unit to add on activity resource. See, there is a one window open. After that, you should have to click on to the page. Then there is a add button. Click on to the add button, and you should have to see the window. This is you have to add the file name, that is human skeletal system. This is one example for you. You have to add as per your course, and you can add any kind of the description here if you want. So display that description. And see, here is we want to add a page in the form of image. So browse that from your available resources from any of the folder. So here I select, because the file is already available over here. So click on to that file. Then you can see that the file is uploaded. Then select this file, then give the name of this file. So human skeletal system 1-2. So here I already given the name. Then after that you should have to save that page. So here you can see the image page of, means here you can see the human skeletal system diagrammatic representation, well labeled diagrammatic representation for the student. And after that there is options, you can modify it if you require, and ultimately save and return to the course. See, there is a human skeletal system file attached. Once you enter into that, you can see the image in the form of page, and anybody, students can easily learn it from that image or a page. This is the most important utility of page creation. Now again enter into the add-on different units, enter into that of the add-on activity. Here you have to select add-on activity resource. Here we have to add a file into that. Click onto the file, click onto the add button, then here is the window. Name of this file is cardiovascular system, CVS 13. You have to add, if you want any description you can add it over, and that description will be displayed to the Genomio units. Then you should have to click on to the add file, upload the file from your, or you can directly browse it from your folders from the computers. Here is availability of one of the file. Click on to that file, select the file, and here you can see that there is a attachment of the file as a resource material for the student. Then you can see that there is option, you can modulate that option as per your requirement, and ultimately save and return to the course. See, you will going to see this file into that cardiovascular system unit for the students, and student can click on to that file and easily go through that. Then next and final option is that how to add a URL. So click on to the add-on activity, select the in a similar fashion URL, click on to the add and give the name of URL, any of the name you can give it. So here is a Vivek. Then here I will going to see one of my website, WordPress website, as a URL link. So I should have to provide that link, and into over here choose a link. Then after you should have to link it by clicking over here, see, and create a link. You can see the in the, and this link will be displayed so that student can easily see that link, and you can see that there is a number of options. You can modulate as per your requirement and ultimately save and return to the course. See, there is a Vivek file URL link. Click on to the URL. See, there is you can see my WordPress site. Here is the availability of the study material as a resource for the students. So this is all about the addition of file, page and URL. So my dear learner, thank you very much for your patience hearing.